A very good morning, students. Today's class we are going to discuss about chapter 11, area and its boundary. Area and its boundary. Last class itself I taught you what are the formula for area of square, area of rectangle and perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle. No, I think you all can recall what I have taught you. Today's class we are going to see the continuation of that only. See the next term, cover with stamps. This is the topic of the given some statement sum. See here. This stamp has an area of square 4 centimeter. Here they are given one stamp. This is the stamp. Okay. This stamp's area is given. They are not given as the side. Area of square. So the stamp size is, so the stamp is in square shape. What is the shape of the stamp is? Square. So it is, the area they are given. So its area is equal to 4 centimeter. They are given us. Guess how many such stamps will cover a big rectangle. So this is a rectangle. What is the basic property of rectangle? Yes. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal, no? The shortest side is known as breadth or width and the longest side is known as length, no? So here, first they are given, simply given the rectangle alone. You want to take the measurement using your scale. You want to measure this length. So the length will be 14 centimeter. While I am measuring in your book, I am getting it is a 14 centimeter. This is the width or breadth, no? So using a scale, you want to measure this breadth. You will get 8 centimeter. What you get? You get 8 centimeter. So we are familiar. This is a rectangle and this is the stamp. The stamp is a square shape. This is the rectangle. We want to find how many such stamp is required to complete this full rectangle. That is the question they are asking. For this, first we want to take, they are not given as the side. They are given the area of square. So this is the square. No, this is stamp. It is in square shape. So what is the area of square? They are given as 4 centimeter. We already know what is the formula for area of square. S into S or A into A. That means side into side we are multiplying. No, in area we are using which operation? To find area we are using the multiplication operation. In perimeter only we are using the addition. No. So in area of square they are given as 4 centimeter. Already we know area of square is equal to A into A. No. So they are given as 4. A square equal to 4. This implies A. That means each side will be 2. No. Then only if this side is 2 centimeter and this side is 2 centimeter, to find the area we want to multiply these two sides. No. So in square all sides are equal. So this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter and this is also a 2 centimeter. If we are multiplying this two, we are getting 4 centimeter square. That is given in the question. Next we want to find how many such square is required. So to count the number of stamps here, we want to take the length. No? So what is the length here? 14 centimeter. Each unit is 2 centimeter. No, this is 2 centimeter. So for up to 14 centimeter, we want to divide. So keep your scale and give 2 units for each. So how many I will get? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you are measuring it correctly in your scale, you will get a perfect square. Though I have done it in board, the measurements are all not equal. Okay, don't confuse that. So if this is alone 2 centimeter, no. So if there is 14. So how many columns? By keeping 2 centimeter distance, I can get 7 stamps in length. How many stamps in length? This all are become. This is one square, this is another square, this is. So similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square I am getting. Here the breadth is totally 8. Already this is 2 centimeter. No, this is 2 centimeter square. So 2 to here also I want to take. So how many box will get? 4. So up to how many squares I get? 4 squares in breadth. How many stamps are filled in breadth side? This is breadth, no? So here how many stamps are filled? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 stamps I can fill it this side. In length side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stamps can fill. So by using this we can complete our full rectangle. So each one is a square, no? So how many stamps, that is each stamp is square in shape. So how many stamps required to complete this full rectangle is the question. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So totally 28 stamps is required. How many stamps is required? 28 stamps is required to cover this big rectangle. I need 28 stamps. Clear, children? See here, once again I am explaining you. This stamp has an area of square 4 centimeter. This particular one stamp, they are given as a big rectangle. In that big rectangle, at one corner, it means they are pasting with a square shaped stamp. The area of that square shaped stamp is 4 centimeters. So they are given as the area. We already know the formula for area, no? So what we will do, area means we want to multiply the side into side. If you are multiplying the side into the another side, we want to get 4 because area is 4 centimeter, no? So each side carries 2 centimeter. We find it. Next we want to guess how many such stamps will cover big rectangle. This is a rectangle, no? This full thing is a big rectangle. So how many stamps is needed to cover this full rectangle is the question they are asking. For this, first we want to find the, from the area they are given, from that we want to measure the each side. Okay, in square all sides are equal. If you find one side, that is enough for us because in square all sides are equal. If one side is 2 centimeter, then other 3 sides is also 2 centimeter only. So this is a one square. With this only we want to find how many stamps can filled. For this, what you want to do means, first you want to take, this is length, no? The longest side in a rectangle is known as length. The shortest side is known as breadth or width. So in longest side, using a scale, you want to measure this. While you are measuring, you are getting 14 centimeter. So we want to divide that 14 centimeter into 2. Why I am taking 2? Because this part alone is 2 centimeter. So each and every part will be in same measurement in square. So this is 2 centimeter, then this also want to be in 2 centimeter. This is 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So how many 2's can split with this 14 centimeter length? So 7. So I will get 7 square here in length side. In breadth side also same only. You want to take the measurement of breadth using a scale. You will get 8 centimeter. The total breadth is 8 centimeter. In that already 2 centimeter is covered with the stamp. How many such stamp will be filled in breadth column? They are asking. For this, you want to, again, this is 2, no? So, square all sides are equal. Again, 2, 2, 2. You want to split this 8 centimeter. So, 4 times I am splitting 2 means I will get the total length as 8, no? So, in breadth side, I will have 1, 2, 3, 4 square. But the question is, how many square shaped stamp is required to complete this full rectangle they are asking. For this, I want to complete by putting the squares and I want to count at last. By counting, see here, another one's a simple method is, if it is a square like this, how many squares are there? If they are asking in question means, you don't need to count each and every box inside this. One simple thing is, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally how many boxes are in length side? 7. Yes. How many squares are in breadth side? 1, 2, 3, 4, no? So you want to simply count the breadth side and length side and you want to multiply. So 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28. So 28 squares are required to fill the full rectangle. Clear, children? This is the main thing. I told you in last class itself. You want to memorize with a multiplication table, at least up to 10 table. You want to thorough yourself and you want to feel familiar with the formula, because without formula we cannot able to perform any sums like this. And multiplication is another important thing. It is used in this full chapter is mostly based on multiplication alone, using formula. If you are familiar with the formula and multiplication, then this chapter will be easy for everyone. If you didn't follow this, then this chapter is considered as a very toughest chapter to you. You want to daily recall what and all I taught you, and you want to recall what are the formula, and the multiplication is the lifelong you need multiplication. So I am repeatedly I am saying to you, Please memorize the multiplication tables. In between, if I ask anything, you want to answer at that spot itself. Like that, as much as you want to take effort and want to memorize the tables. Because why I am saying this again and again means multiplication is very, very important for this chapter. Not for this chapter alone. It is also important for your upper grade also. Clear, children? Okay, students, listen here. Based on this sum, they are asking us some questions to fill. That is, they are given as the topic. Check your guess. You want to answer the following. Based on, we have done this sum now. Based on this, they are asking us some question. Let us see how to fill this. See, measure yellow rectangle. It is dash centimeter long they are asking. Long and length both are of same meaning. This is yellow color rectangle. It is printed in a book as yellow color. So in this yellow color rectangle, they are asking what is the long, that is what is the length of this rectangle they are asking. So what is the length here? Yes. How we are using our scale, we are measuring, no? What we get there? Yes, 14. So 14 is the answer. 14 centimeter long is the answer. Next, how many stamps placed along its length? They are asking us how many stamps placed along its length. How many stamps are placed along its length? In a length, how many stamps are placed? They are asking. So start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally how many stamps are placed in length? 7. So 7 is the answer. Next, how wide is rectangle? Wide, width and breadth all are same meaning only. Clear? Long, length and all same meaning. Breadth, wide and width. These three things represent the same meaning only. So this is the breadth, no? So that is the wide. How wide is rectangle they are asking. What is the wide? It is 8 centimeter. Wide is 8 centimeter. Using the scale only. We want to take the measurement. We are getting 8. So 8 centimeter is the wide of the rectangle. Next, how many stamps placed along breadth? In breadth, how many stamps are placed? They are asking. First, they are asked about length, no? Now they are asking about breadth. So count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally how many stamps are placed in breadth? 4 stamps. Yes, very good. 4 stamps are placed in breadth. Next, how many stamps needed to cover? How many stamps needed for us to cover this whole rectangle they are asking? So how many? How I taught you? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So take it 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 4 here. We want to multiply, then we will get the full square. You no need to count the each and every square. This is the easier method to count the number of square inside the rectangle. Clear, children? If it is somewhat smaller, so you can able to count this. If it is a bigger rectangle and it contains many square means you can follow this method. This is very easy. Both are giving us the same answer only. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7. Into we want to multiply and 1, 2, 3, 4 to totally 4. So 7 into 4 is 28. So how many stamps needed to cover? 28 stamp. Yes, good. Next, what is the area of rectangle? Now we want to find the area of rectangle and the next question, perimeter of rectangle they are asking. For this, what do you want to do? Find area of rectangle and perimeter we want to do by using the formula. See here, area of rectangle. For area, what operation we used? Multiplication. So what we will do? Length into breadth is area of rectangle. Here what is our length? 14 is our length. Into what is our breadth in rectangle? 8 is our breadth. So 14 into 8, we want to do it in rough column. See here, I am solving here. 14 into 8. Yes, what will come? 8 fours are 32. Balance 3. 8 ones are 8. Plus 3, 9 and 10, 11. So 112 is the answer. What is the area of the rectangle? 112 centimeter square. Centimeter square is very, very important because in area means it's square units, no? So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 14 and breadth is 8. So we want to multiply 14 into 8. 8 fours are 32. Balance 3. 1 8s are 8. And plus 3 what? 9, 10, 11. So 112 is the area of rectangle. So this place you want to put 112 centimeter square. Next, what they are asking? Perimeter of rectangle. perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is the answer, no? Sorry, formula, no? So 2 into, what is the length here? Length is 14. 14 plus, what is the breadth here? 8. First, for this type of calculation, you want to minimize. That means you want to solve the things inside the bracket only. You want to first solve. So what I will get? 2 into 14 plus 8 gives you 22. 14 plus 8 is 22. Then you want to, if the number comes like this, means what symbol it carries in between? Multiplication symbol. So 2 into 22 gives us 44. So 44 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle. 44 centimeter. Clear, children? These are all direct questions. For these two only we want to find, write the formula, and then we want to find. Clear? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So here the length is 14 and the breadth is 8. So we want to multiply these two. So 14 into 8, what we will get? 112 centimeter square is the area of rectangle. Next, perimeter of rectangle. For perimeter of rectangle, what we want to do? First, we need to familiar. That is, we want to thorough with the formula. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Yes, 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. 2 is common, open bracket, length is 14 plus breadth is 8. Before solving this, don't multiply something and collapse yourself. First, you want to solve the things inside the bracket. Okay, so what is inside the bracket? 2, I take it as it is, and open bracket, and 14 plus 8 gives me 22, and then close bracket. If the numbers comes like this without any arithmetic operations in between, that represents multiplication symbol. If it is addition, means they will put addition symbol. If it is a subtraction, means they will put the minus symbol, and if it is a division, means they will put division symbol. For multiplication alone, we can directly write like this. See here, this number, suddenly the open bracket, there is no symbol, that is no operations is in between this. So this means there is a multiplication symbol. Okay, so 2 into 22 we want to multiply. 2 into 22 gives me 44 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle is 44 centimeter. Clear, children? This question is fully based on statement sum only. These are all known as statement sum. They are given the statement. You want to imagine yourself with the, you want to compare these kinds of sum with your real life. Based on the presence of your mind only, you can easily understand these kinds of questions and you can easily get the answer. Clear? Let us see how you can solve this. See, Arabs plans to tile his kitchen floor. In our house and all, you have seen the kitchen, no? Imagine that kitchen floor. Okay, in Arab's place, you keep yourself. Okay, you only are planning to tile your kitchen. Instead of cement, you want to going to tile your kitchen floor with a green color square tiles. So the tiles is in square. That is the one clue which we got. So each tile is in square shape. That too in green color square tiles. This is one clue from this. Next, see here. Each side of tile is 10 centimeter. So for example, this is this tile. No, it is in square. So each side of square is 10 centimeter. They are given. Square, all sides are equal. So all sides are 10 centimeter. Though it is a square, we know each side of square tile is 10 centimeter. Each side is 10 centimeter. When compared to last question, which we have seen is stamp, no, there they are given the area of stamp. That is this full area they are given. That's why we are finding the side. But here they are given as the side, but we don't know about the area. Okay, let us wait. His kitchen is 220 centimeter in length. The length is given and width, the wide is given. If length and wide are different, then surely this kitchen is in rectangle. No, length is given. What is the length? 220 centimeter. Always we know the longest side is the length. No, so this is 220 centimeter, and it's width. See here, and the wide is 180 centimeter. Wide is 180 centimeter is the wide. This is what they are given. How many tiles will he needed? How many tiles is needed to complete this full kitchen? This is the question. First you understand the question. Again I am saying, Arabs plans to tile his kitchen floor with a green color square tiles. Green square tiles. He planned to square his tiles, that is the kitchen floor with the square shaped tiles, and each side of the tiles side is 10 centimeter. They are placing, no, so they are saying about the single tile only. Each side is 10 centimeter they are given, and the length of the kitchen and the width is also given. So the length and width is different, means surely it will be the rectangle, no. So the length of the kitchen is 220 centimeter and the width is 180 centimeter they are given. Now we want to find how many tiles are required to complete this full kitchen floor. Okay, for this, first in last sum they are given the area, we find the side, no. Here they are given this side. First find the area of one tile we want to find. We want to find area of one tile alone. So tile. So this tile is in square, no. So what I want to find? That too in square shape. So area of square is side into side, no. This is one side into another side, no. So this is the square, side into side is the area of one tile. So why I am using the formula of square means area of this tile is in square shape, no. They are given in the question itself. Square tiles. So it is square shape. So to find the area, what I want to find? Area of square is find. We want to find. See here, what is the side here? 10 into 10. So area of square is 10 into 10 is 100 centimeter square. This is the area of tile. Area of square. Okay. Next thing, we want to find the area of the kitchen. Area of kitchen. Area of kitchen. To find the area of kitchen, the kitchen is in rectangle shape. So I can use the formula for rectangle. Area of rectangle formula I can use. No. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth is the area of rectangle. So what is the length here? 220 into what is the breadth? 180. So by multiplying these two, what I will get? See here, 220 into 180. 0, 8. I will put the calculation clearly here itself. 220 into 180. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 8, 0. 2 8s are 16. Balance 1. 8 2s are 16. Plus 1 is 17. Again 0 into 1. So here 1 column. Here leave 2 column and start from here. 0 into 8, 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 1 is 2. Again I will tell you how I multiply this. First you want to forget this. You want to multiply these top numbers, no, 2 to 0 with 0. What I will get? See here, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0. Next I want to forget this 0. Only take and multiply 8. For this I want to leave one place and start from here. 0 8s are 0, 8 2s are 16, balance 1, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is 17. This is finished. Next I want to forget these two and I want to multiply 220 with 1. 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. Now I want to add all these numbers. What I will get? 0, 0, 6, 9, 3. So what is the answer here? 39,600 is the area of kitchen. Now we need how many tiles are required to complete this full rectangle. For this we want to divide area of kitchen by area of one tile. Then we can easily get the answer. Number of tiles. To get the number of tiles, what we want to do? Area of kitchen divided by area of one tile. So what is the area of kitchen? 39,600 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancelled. And what I will get at last? 396 tiles is required to complete this full floor. Clear, children? I am explaining you. See here. Here they are given you the square alone. Okay. Each side is given. So side is given. It is easy for us to find the area. No. Area of one tile only we need to find. First, before finding the area of tile, we want to know what is the shape. Then only you can easily solve it in formula, no? So, area of tile is square already given in question. So, area of square is side into side or A into A. So, 10 into 10 gives me 100 centimeter square is the area of one tile. This one tile's area is, what is the area? I already told you, no, difference between area and boundary. So, this space fully is area. This area is 100 centimeter square. Next, area of kitchen I want to find. Area of kitchen. Before finding the, what is the shape of kitchen here? Rectangle. How I am saying it is rectangle? Because its length and breadth are given. So if length and breadth are different, then it is a rectangle. No. That's why I am using the rectangle formula, length into breadth. While multiplying these two numbers, I am getting 39,600. Now what they are asking the question? How many tiles is required to complete? See here, how many tiles will he needed? How many tiles he needed? So already I find this area. If I find the total area divided by this, I will get the remaining area, no? That is the question. That is the concept used here. So number of tiles required is equal to area of kitchen. The total area of kitchen is 39,600 and the area of each tile, that is one tile, is 100 centimeter. Well, and by dividing 39,600 divided by 100, 0 cancel. I am at last I get 396 tiles is required for me to complete this full rectangle. Clear, children? Thank you.